How to Start Cybersecurity from Scratch Beginner's Guide, 2024. Did you know that there are over 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs worldwide? The staggering number highlights the urgent need for skilled professionals in the field. In this video, you'll learn how to start your journey in cybersecurity from scratch, making it accessible for beginners in 2024. Whether you're a student, a career changer, or just curious about the field, I've got you covered. So, here's the deal. Many aspiring cybersecurity professionals feel completely overwhelmed by the complexity of the field. I get it. It can seem like a huge mountain to climb. You might be asking yourself, where do I even start? With the vast array of topics, tools, and technologies out there, it's easy to get lost in the noise. That's a challenge we're going to tackle today. Well, break everything down into manageable bites so you can take those first steps confidently. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and you're about to take your first steps into a world of opportunity. Now, let's dive into the essentials. First up, you need a mentor who is currently practicing as a cybersecurity expert. I would like to recommend that you enroll in this mentorship program, Bolaji Bankole Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program. We are dedicated to combating financial crimes and promoting fraud detection and cybersecurity practices through our mentorship and training. Program highlights: Cybersecurity Missionters, Cybersecurity Training, Cybersecurity Fraud Prevention. The Bolaji Bankole Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program aims to create a vibrant community where we demystify cybersecurity myths. By presenting cybersecurity education in a simple and accessible manner. Through our program, we strive to nurture leaders and mentor professionals in the cybersecurity field, while equipping them with the skills and knowledge required to excel in this ever-changing industry. Together, we are building a secure digital future. To wrap up, we've covered the steps to take your first steps in cybersecurity. We talked about essential skills, valuable resources, and different paths to explore. The overarching theme here is the importance of continuous learning and gaining hands-on experience. The cybersecurity field is always evolving, and staying updated is key. So, keep pushing yourself, and don't be afraid to reach out to the community for support. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on cybersecurity tips and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. What topics do you want to learn about next? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!